Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an app on your iPhone, iPhone Air, or any iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. So in order to do this, first thing you're going to do is find the app that you like to remove. Let's say I wanted to remove maybe Snapchat on my iPhone. So I'm going to long press and hold, and a menu will pop up. Again, the key here is long pressing and holding until a menu like this pops up, and I'm going to see the option that says remove app. So I'm going to go ahead and remove app, and then finally click on delete app and delete. And basically, that app, Snapchat, now has been completely removed off my app. You can now always download it back again from the App Store. Now, another way you can do it is if you have tons of app here and you don't want it, or you can't find the app that you're looking for, you can go into your setting and then go to general and then iPhone storage. And from here on, you can also see all of the apps that are installed on your iPhone. And if you like to remove an app, for example, I'm going to go ahead and remove maybe Instagram right here. And instead of the remove option, this time I'm just going to click on delete app and then delete. And that will also go ahead and remove the app off my iPhone. So that's how you can do it. Keep in mind, if you ever wanted to install the app again and get it back, you can always just go to the App Store and then search for example, Instagram. Right? You can always go back in there and reinstall it again if I need to once it loads. But that's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.